Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं रेड वेलवेट कप केक्स and it's a very simple recipe. This is the eggless version of red velvet cake. So let's get into the kitchen. So these are my red velvet cakes, red velvet cupcakes which I have made today. And the ingredients that I have used, I'm going to show you the brands before we can go ahead with the recipe. So here is the cream cheese that is available, which I am using today. This is the butter that I am using today. This is what I am using for decoration. This is the vanilla essence that I am using today. And the cocoa powder, that's the chocolate or the cocoa powder that I'm going to use. So these are the things which I'm using and the brands that I'm using today, and rest of the things are usually available at your home. So let's go ahead with the recipe. Okay, so to start with, the first step that we are doing is that मैंने यहाँ पे milk लिया है, normal temperature पे है. It is not cold milk or chilled milk. It is on normal temperature. This is about 3/4 cup of normal milk. अब इसमें मैं डालने वाली हूँ white vinegar. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of white vinegar into this. If you don't have white vinegar at home, you can also use lemon juice. Lemon juice इसमें डाल करके और इसको दूध को हमें रख देना है थोड़ी देर के लिए. So this first step is done. Okay, so the next step is I am making the cream cheese icing, for which I need cream cheese. I have taken about 1 cup of cream cheese here. It is at normal temperature, so make sure that it is not ice cooled or completely एकदम frozen ना हो. So you have to keep it out for at least half an hour so that it becomes or comes to a normal temperature. So this is cream cheese. The next one is butter. I am using unsalted butter. This is the cooking butter. This is about half cup of cooking butter, and this is also at normal temperature. So I need to beat these things together, these two things together, so to make it fluffy until they are fluffy, and I'm going to do this with the hand mixer. So let's start this. Now when the mixture is, the butter and the cream cheese is completely mixed, at this point I am adding about half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be generous in the vanilla extract because it is going to give a very nice taste and a flavor as well. So vanilla extract goes in, and I am also adding 1 cup of powdered sugar, or this is the icing sugar actually, because we are making a cream cheese icing. So in this I am adding 1 cup of icing sugar. So I'm just mixing it first lightly because this is icing sugar, otherwise I will get into a cloud of icing sugar. So now I'm going to start this. This has become nice and soft, and everything is mixed properly now. So I'm going to stop the mixer here. So now this is completely done, and now I'm going to bring it out in a piping bag, and उसके बाद में मैं उसको फ्रिज में रख देने वाली हूँ because this need to chill before we start icing it. So जब तक ये ठंडा होगा फ्रिज में, उस टाइम पे हम लोग जो है अपना रेड वेलवेट केक बनाएंगे. So here I have got a piping bag. Here I've got a piping bag, और इसके अंदर मैं क्रीम चीज डालने वाली हूँ. ये मिक्सचर जो है So the piping bag is ready, and I'm going to keep this in the fridge, and so that let's get into the next step of baking the cake. Okay, so for making the cake, the red velvet cake, we are going to take about half cup of normal plain sugar, and in this I am adding 1/4 cup of normal oil. Now you can use any oil which does not have any strong taste or smell. I am using olive oil. You can use any sunflower oil or vegetable oil that you have. And now we need to blend this together. Oh, before we can blend it, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of curd, normal curd, which is available at your home. So about 2 tablespoons of curd goes into the mixture, and then we will blend it together. So I'm mixing this all well together, that is curd, oil and sugar. So I'm just using the spatula only to mix this all together. Now when it is almost mixed, I'm going to add the vanilla essence in this. I'm adding about half teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix this well. So this is completely mixed. Now I am going to add the buttermilk mixture that we have prepared in the first step. That is जो हमने दूध के अंदर vinegar डाल के रखा था. This is what I am going to add in this. नेक्स्ट इज द रेड वेलवेट केक है, तो उसमें रेड कलर की ज़रूरत है. आप कुकिंग वाला जो भी फूड कलर आपके पास हो आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट एक्चुअली जो पुराने तरीके से जो रेड वेलवेट केक बनाया जाता है उसके अंदर बीटरूट का जूस डालते हैं. सो आई हैव गॉट बीटरूट जूस. मैंने सिर्फ बीटरूट को अच्छी तरह से ग्रेट करके उसका जूस निकाल लिया है. दैट इज़ वॉट आई एम एडिंग टू दिस मिक्सचर एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू गिव अ लवली रेड कलर टू द रेड वेलवेट केक. So I have added about 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice into this and I have mixed it nicely. The next is maida. Maida add करना है हमको. So about 3/4 cup of maida. This is about half cup, and so I have added 3/4 cup of maida into this. Next is adding 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder in this. So I'm adding 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder in it. So 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and I am adding about half teaspoon of baking soda. Baking powder नहीं, इसमें baking soda जाएगा. So half teaspoon of this, and a pinch of salt will also go into this. So this is the normal salt, just a pinch of salt. And now let's mix all this together. And now I'm mixing all of them together. Now because we have added baking soda, so we need to be little quick with it. Mix it well and then scoop it out in the cupcake molds that you have. Meanwhile I have already kept the oven for preheating. It is heating at 180 degrees. I have kept it for 10 minutes, and once that is heated, I'm going to scoop out all this mixture into cupcakes and then bake it. Okay, so the mixture is getting mixed properly. My son is helping me with that today. So I have got my cupcakes molds ready. I have lined them with the paper liners, and अब मैं इसमें डालने वाली हूँ ये mixture जो हमने अभी cupcake का mixture हमने बनाया है. So here it goes. I do not have a scooper, so I'm just using the bowl जो सब्जी के लिए हम लोग use करते हैं. I'm just using that one. So the cupcakes are ready to go into the oven now, and oven is preheated. I'm going to put them into the oven now. Alright guys, so the cupcakes are ready. I have put the cream cheese icing on top of it. The cupcake has turned out absolutely delicious. Look at them. It's the red velvet cake and with the cheese. एक चीज़ है, आप कभी भी red velvet cake बनाएं तो उसके साथ में cream cheese icing ज़रूर लगाएं, क्योंकि उसके बिना उसका taste जो है अधूरा अधूरा होता है. So do try this recipe. It has turned out lovely and the kitchen is full of the smell of red velvet cake and the cream cheese. And do try this recipe. Let me know how it has turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please do mention your comments. Hit the like button and share and subscribe it with your friends. Thank you for watching.